So we're going to remove the trunk latch on the Toyota Avalon today, and the trunk latch is here on the trunk lid, and it's sitting underneath this the trunk liner, which is a fabric liner. And I already removed the clips. There's these clips. You kind of have to stick a Phillips head screwdriver in there and release them and pull those out. You don't need all of them, just enough to get it at the trunk latch. Now the trick here is to look at this key cylinder, the back of it. There's a metal bar that goes from the back of the latch to the back of the key cylinder. So you just release that. And then there's two 10mm bolts that hold the latch on. And so you'll take those off. And then there is a single plug electrical connector. There's also a purple clip that you will release that's connected to the latch. That's hooked up to the emergency handle from the inside of the trunk lid there. And then there is a single connector that you'll disconnect as well. So the latch is kind of loose, and at this point you'll just I would hold the back of that piece of metal and just slide it out. And there it is. Installation is the reverse removal, and we'll see you next time. So I'm back in the office with the Toyota Avalon trunk latch, and I am just testing it for power. It just has a 1-pin connector here, and I'm using a power probe, and I use the body as ground of the latch, and then we'll put the power probe on the actuator. The motor sits right in here, and you'll see I'm just gonna fire that off, and it is working correctly. And I will put the OEM part number in the description, as well as a link to eBay for this item. We'll see you next time.